Hey guys, we're here at the PMA Chicago golf outing at Seven Bridges Golf Club. We're starting off on par 3 on the 15th hole, which is closest to the pin, which is not good because we haven't even warmed up yet, but we're going to see what we see. There's 134 golfers approximately. I'm predicting that we're going to post minus 14 and win this thing altogether.
Yes, Kyle, that's a birdie. Let's go. There it is. Twirl.
Let's go, guys.
All right, guys, we are through 12 holes, sitting 6 under. Coming up on a long par 5, we're probably going to eagle this, hopefully. Jordan, what do you got to say about our performance so far?
I think we've been really good. I think if the only thing we need to work on is our putts. If we could 1 putt instead of 2, I think we'll be looking at maybe negative 15.
Okay. Alex, anything to say?
I'm about to hit this longest drive right now. Watch.
And then Alex will win the longest drive. This is the longest drive hole, and it is a very narrow par 5. So we will see. Just finished up, guys. Negative 12. We have no idea what the playing field is at because they're not using the app where it's tracking score. We're going old school paper and pencil. So minus 12. Let's see if that's good enough to win. Woo! All right, guys. We just finished. Posted 12 under, and like I suspected, we won this thing. Some major moolah, and got closest to the pin for the ladies and longest drive. We're looking at what, $600 at this event? We're going to the next one. We're going to dominate.
Yeah, we are.
Let's go.